Everyone. Today we're going to discuss about a topic HIV associated thrombocytopenia. The term thrombocytopenia is by definition the low platelet count in the body. This low platelet count in HIV, human immunodeficiency virus infection, can be due to mainly two reasons. This is low platelet count in thrombocytopenia in HIV is one of the most common hematological abnormalities seen in the blood. Most common. So, the two reasons for this. The first reason is that the HIV virus, human immunodeficiency virus, can directly infect megakaryocyte megakaryocyte in the bone marrow. It happens by this mechanism. This is the megakaryocyte in the bone marrow. Megakaryocyte, and the megakaryocyte contains the receptor CD4 positive receptor and CXCR4 also. This is the receptor for HIV, and this is the co-receptor for HIV infection. So the HIV binds to these receptors and then infect this megakaryocyte in the bone marrow. Due to the infection, the megakaryocyte is unable due to the infection of HIV, it is unable to produce efficiently the platelets. So in this way, the platelet count decreases in the body, that is the thrombocytopenia, HIV associated thrombocytopenia. The second mechanism by which, this is the first mechanism, the second mechanism by which thrombocytopenia occurs in HIV infection is because the HIV infection, as it infects the CD4 positive T cells, which are the helper T cells, TH cells, this causes the B cell hyperplasia and its dysfunction. It is because we all know that CD4 positive T cells helps in the regulation. They regulate the functions of B cells also. They regulate the function of B cells. In this way, due to dysfunction of B cell, the autoantibodies are produced. Now, the autoantibodies which are produced by the dysfunctioning B cells in HIV infection, these target and are specific, we can say specific for the glycoprotein 2b3A, which is present in platelets. We have studied about the platelet glycoproteins. There are many platelet glycoproteins. One of them is 2b3A, and these autoantibodies attack these glycoproteins of the platelets. In this way also, the platelets are dysfunctional or are destroyed, and hence the platelet count, due to this mechanism also, the platelet count decrease. This leads to the thrombocytopenia. Hence, we have studied the two mechanisms. One last mechanism can be in some patients. That can be due to the immune complexes. Deposition. The immune complexes can be deposited on platelets in HIV infection that can lead to this, again, the thrombocytopenia. So the main two mechanisms were this was the very rare mechanism which can happen in HIV infection. So these two mechanisms, one and this two, autoantibodies and direct infection of megakaryocyte, are the main mechanism due to which HIV causes thrombocytopenia as its main hematologic abnormality. Thank you.